So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. Today in this video we will see top 10 most important arithmetic question for SBI Clerical Mains Level Examination 2021. So I have taken 10 different questions from different chapter which is very important when it comes to Mains Level Examination. So first one, the average cost of 32 chocolates is rupees 900. The price of costliest chocolate is 70% more than the price of cheapest chocolate. Excluding these both chocolates, the average cost of chocolate is rupees 888. Find the cost of cheapest chocolate. Right? So this is a very important question when it comes to average. So here what they have given you, the average cost of 32 chocolate is rupees 900. That means 32 chocolate is nothing but how much? 900. Then excluding this both chocolate, the average cost of chocolate is rupees 888. Now you just tell me one thing, which are the two excluding chocolate? One which is having which is costliest, second which is nothing but cheapest. So now how many chocolates are removed? When you remove cheapest and costliest from this 32, you will be having 30 chocolates, and then cost is nothing but how much? 888, right? Now you just tell me one thing. Whenever you are removing, that means whenever cheapest chocolate and costliest chocolates will go, what they will do? They will take back their own average, because average is nothing but equal distribution. So 32 chocolate is 900, each chocolate is 900 only. That means cheapest and costliest both will take 900 plus 900. Plus, because of that what happened? In the average, it was reduced by 12. 900 minus 888 is nothing but 12, and this 12 will be distributed in how many person or how many chocolates? 30. So 1800 plus 360, which is 2160. Now they are saying that the price of costliest chocolate is 70% more than the price of cheapest chocolate. That means if cheapest chocolate is, so what is 70% fraction value? 7 by 10. So costliest is more. That means if cheapest is 10, costliest will be 17. 10 plus 7, 17. So total, how much? 27 part. 27 part is 2160. So one part is nothing but how much? 80. Now what they are asking, find the cost of cheapest chocolate. Cheapest chocolate is nothing but 10. So 10 part is how much? 800. So what is my answer? My answer is nothing but third option, which is 800. So I hope you are clear with the first question. Now we will see second one. Raj invests rupees 15,000 as a fixed deposit in a bank at the rate of 12% per annum simple interest, but due to some needs he has to withdraw the entire money after 5 years, for which the bank allowed him a lower rate of interest. If he gets rupees 6420 less than what he would have got at the end of 8 years, find the rate of interest allowed by the bank. Looks lengthy, right? But it's very simple. So Raj invests rupees 15,000 as a fixed deposit in the bank at the rate of 12% per annum. But because of some needs, he withdraws the entire amount after 5 years. Then if he gets rupees 6420 less than what he would get at the end of 8 years, that means 15,000 into R is 12 into entire time. 500 minus 15,000 into R is that is what they are asking, and now he is withdrawing the amount after 5 years. 500 is equal to how much they have given you? Less 6420. This is what you have to do. Take 15,000 by 100 common. So 96, 12 it's a 96 minus 5R is equal to 6420. Double 0 gone. This 0 is also gone. Right, and this is 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30, and 15 8s are 120. 96 minus 42.8 is equal to 5R. This is how much? 53.2, right? 53.2. So R is nothing but how much? 5 10s are 50. 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are. So my answer is nothing but 10.64%, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with the second one. Now we will see third one. A manager decided to complete a construction work in 292 days. For that, he hired 40 men. After 252 days, he found that only 75% of work is completed. How many workers he should hire to complete the remaining work in stipulated time? Time and work, basic question from the basic concept, and that is nothing but M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 divided by W2. Right? So initially how many persons are there? 40. D1. So after 252 days, so D1 is 252 days divided by W1. He found that 75% of the work is completed. What is 75% fraction value? 3 by 4. Total part is 4. In that 3 part is only completed. Is equal to M2. So in that 40 is needs extra person. D2 is how much? Out of 292, D1 is 252. So remaining will be 40 divided by 1. Because out of 4 part, 3 part is work. Work is 3 here, work is 1 here. 40, 40 gone. 3 8s are, 3 4s are. So x is equal to 84 minus 40, which is 44. My answer is nothing but third option. So I hope you are clear with the third question. Now we'll see fourth one. A container contains 121 liter of milk. The milkman replaced certain liters of milk with water. The process is repeated one more time such that amount of milk left in the container is 25 liter. Find the quantity of milk replaced each time. So this is coming under removal and replacement case under mixture and alligation. So final mixture is nothing but initial into 1 minus removal by total whole power n. Right? So final is nothing but how much? 25. Initial is how much? 121. So final is nothing but how much? So the amount of left is final is nothing but 25. Initial is 121. 1 minus x divided by volume is 121 whole power n. Right? Keep this value here. 25 by 121 is equal to 121 minus x divided by 121 whole power n. So n is nothing but how many times they are doing? 2 times. Right? 2 times they are doing. So take square root here. So this is 5 by 11 is equal to 121 minus x divided by 121. 11 11 is 11 5 is 55 is equal to 121 minus x. X is equal to 121 minus 55, which is 66. My answer is nothing but 66. So I hope you clear with the fourth one. Now we'll see fifth one. Arnab, Binod and Chintu invested into a business with the ratio 5:4:6. After 1 year, Arnab double his investment. After 1 more year, Binod and Chintu withdraw half of their investment. At the end of 3 years, they earned a profit. If share of Binod is rupees 40,000, find the total profit. Partnership question, but it's a bit tricky one. So who are all there in the picture? Arnab, Binod and Chintu. Right? Initial ratio is 5:4:6. After 1 year, Arnab double his investment. Right? So remaining is how many years? 2 years, because total profit is 3 years. Double his investment. That means 10 into 2. Right? What about Binod? So after 1 more year, that means after 2 years, Binod and Chintu withdraw their capital. So this is 2 into 1 and this is 2 plus 3 into 1. Right? So now Binod is having half only. Chintu is having half only. So this is nothing but 5 plus 10, 5 plus 25, 5 plus 20, 25, 8 plus 2, 10, 12 plus 3, 15. Right? This is profit ratio of Arnab, Binod and Chintu. So 5 3s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. Total Binod share is 40,000. Binod share is how much? 2. So 2 part is nothing but how much? 40,000. So 1 part is 40,000. Total is 10 part. 10 part is 2 lakh. which is nothing but second option. So I hope you clear with 5 questions. Now the sixth one. Average of present age of a family of 6 members is 52 years. At the time of birth of youngest member, average age of the family was 55.2 years. Find the age of youngest person. Tricky question when it comes to problems on ages chapter. So initially how many members are there? 6 members are there. Average is 52. So total will be how much? 52 into 6, which is 312. At the time of birth of youngest member, that means youngest member is not born. So how many persons are there? 5 members are there. The average age of the family was 55.2 years. So total is 276. So they are asking find the age of youngest person. Difference is how much? 36. Now how many persons are there? 6 members are there. So what is the answer? 6 years, which is nothing but third option. So I hope you clear with the sixth one. Now we'll see seventh one. A boat covers 12 km upstream and 18 km downstream in 3 hours, while it covers 36 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6.5 hours. Find the speed of boat in still water is what percent of the speed of stream. Speed of stream is nothing but speed of current. So that means speed of still water is nothing but x is what percent of y, which is speed of stream. So boat covers 12 km upstream and 18 km downstream in 3 hours. Right? This is my first equation. Second one, it covers 36 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6.5 hours. Right? Now I need to solve. Before solving, the best way is nothing but HCF of 12 and 36. You just put first. Go with the substitution method, right? So I need to substitute u here, that number, and then dd here, that number, so that it satisfies both the number. So that means here I should get 3. So my options will be either 1, 2, 2, 1 or 1.5, 1.5. 1 means if I keep 12 here, that means here I need to keep 2. If I keep 12 here, 3. If I keep here u is equal to 12, means here it will be 1. Here it should be 2. That means if I keep 9 here, but if I keep 9 here, I won't get the answer, right? So 1 and 2 is gone, even 2 and 1 is also gone. Now if I keep u is 18, right? U is 18, or if I, u is 18. So what I will be getting here? U is 18 means 6 to the 6 3s are, no, I won't be getting the answer. If I keep u as 8, for example, so here it will be 1.5. See here I should get 12, right? So here 8 means 4.5. Yes, I will be getting the answer. So if I keep here u is equal to 8 and d is equal to 12, right? U is equal to 8, 4.5 and d 12, right? So 4.2, yes. So that means x minus y is to x plus y. U is upstream speed, d is downstream speed, is nothing but 8 is to 12. 4 3s are 4 2s are. So x is to y is how much? 5 is to 1. So x is what percent of y? That means 5 by 1 into 100. What is my answer? 500%, which is fourth option. So I hope you clear with the seventh question. Now we'll see eighth one. The mark price of an item is rupees 240. The shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% and earns a profit of 20%. Find mark price is what percent of the cost price. So in my previous videos also I told you, in profit and loss chapter, remember one formula, and that is mark price by cost price is equal to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 minus discount percent. Very important one. So mark price is nothing but how much they have given you, not required also. This data is not required because they are asking mark price is what percent of cost price, right? So the shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% and profit is 20%. So 120 divided by 90. So 33s are 34s are. Right? So you just change here. Mark price is what percent more than cost price. Right? So how much it is more? 1 by 3 into 100, which is 33.3%, and my answer is nothing but third option. So I hope you're clear with 7-8 questions, right, which we have seen from different chapter, and all these questions are very important for your SBI clerical main civil examination. So please share your feedback in the comment section of this video, and share this video among your friends and also in your social media platform, which is Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. So in my next videos also we will see some of the important questions of SBI clerical prelims civil examination. So do prepare well, and time is not there, hardly you have 20 to 25 days for your prelims civil examination. So do focus, prepare well, all the best, thank you.